Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video today we will be learning how to download Lords mobile game on your mobile device. First of all, unlock your device and connect to the stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store or your App Store. Now in the search box at the top type in Lords mobile. Look for this application from IGG Singapore Pte Limited and then tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. On your iOS, you will need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password to start the download process. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be installed. After downloading the application, you can dive into the action, build your empire, form alliances and battle enemies worldwide. So that's how you easily install the Lords Mobile Pacific Rim War application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.